In this tutorial we will talk about another Excel function, Sumifs. Sumifs is a logical function and we use Sumifs when we need to sum values that meet more than one criteria. So suppose in this case I want to sum after tax pay of employees whose names start with I, condition 1, and also condition 2 that they must belong to HR department. So we have two conditions. I want to sum after tax pay of employees whose names start with I and they must belong to HR department. So first argument is sum range. I'll take after tax pay column as my sum range because I want to sum values from this column. Criteria range 1. So name column will become my criteria range 1, and the criteria would be that name must start with I. So I'll put I in double quote with an asterisk mark like this and put comma. Criteria range 2. Department column will become our criteria range 2, comma. Criteria 2 that they must belong to HR department. So I'll put HR in double quotes like this and close the bracket. Done. So this is sum of after tax pay of all the employees whose names start with I and they are from HR department. You see, it's summing these two values. It's not summing Israr because Israr is starting with I. It's fulfilling the condition 1, but it doesn't belong to HR department. So this was Sumifs. In case you like the video, kindly like it and also subscribe my channel. Bye for now.